Oi. Take two. We've talked about handstand push-ups. We've talked about diamond push-ups. We've talked about explosive push-ups. We've talked about all types of push-ups. In today's video, we'll talk about one more type of push-up. We'll talk about Spider-Man push-ups. Are you ready? Let's go. Do you know what a spider is? A spider? This is a spider. Do you know what a man is? A man? I'm a man. This is a man. When you put them together, when you put the words together, you have Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Do you know Spider-Man? Spider-Man shoots webs from his hands. Spider-Man, he shoots webs. To be strong like Spider-Man, we can do some Spider-Man push-ups. Spider-Man push-ups. They're called Spider-Man push-ups because when you do them, you look like a spider or Spider-Man. I'll show you. Spider-Man push-ups. Wow. Wow. Do I look like a spider? Wow. Wow. Spider-Man push-ups. Spider-Man push-ups are great to build strength, and they're a great challenge. They're a great challenge. Let me explain. Let me show you how to do it. Are you ready? Let's go. With Spider-Man push-ups, you need good coordination. Good coordination. Different parts of your body have to work together. So you have to have good coordination. Okay? So we're in push-up position, and my elbow is going to touch my knee. I'm in push-up position, and my elbow is going to touch my knee. Like this. Push up, elbow to knee. Push up, elbow to knee. Push up, elbow to knee. Can you see it? My elbow's gonna touch my knee. Push up, elbow to knee. You can do it with your foot up, right? Foot up, leg up, elbow to knee. Or you can do it with your leg down and push up, elbow to knee. Push up, elbow to knee. You can do it stationary so you don't move. Stationary. Or you can move, right? You can move. You can travel. I'm not stationary. I'll show you one more time. It's difficult at first because you have to be coordinated. You have to use different parts of your body together. It's a lot to think about, but you just practice and then you can do it. You can do it. So, one more time. Push up and elbow to knee. And go all the way down. That's important. Push up, elbow to knee. Other side. push up, elbow to knee. Other side. Push up, elbow to knee. Elbow to knee. Elbow to knee. Push up, elbow to knee. Moving. Push up, elbow to knee. That's all it is. Spider-Man push-ups. Okay, everybody. So this was the last video. This was the last video of the series. Did you like learning about push-ups? Did you like learning about fitness? Did you like learning about getting strong? If you liked learning, tell me about it. You tell me about it in the comments. If you liked it, tell me about it in the comments. Okay? And like the video. I'll be here around doing push-ups. I hope you get more comprehensible input from English Fiesta, and I'll see you in the next video. Ready? All right, goodbye.